So one thing that I get asked a lot, do transfers really work? Let's find out. Hey everyone, before we dive into this video, I want to take a moment to express my gratitude for Supacolor for sponsoring this video. Color is known for their superior quality screen printing transfers, and they're recently expanded into an exciting world of DTF printing. Their products have been a game changer for my screen printing projects and my business, and I'm thrilled to have them on board to sponsoring my videos. Thank you, Supacolor, for your support. Now let's get back to this video. All right, so first thing first, I placed the shirt under the press. Now I'm gonna heat it for a few minutes. Now this is just so that it gets heat. I'll grab a towel because these pallets get very hot. So I want to protect my hands by doing so. So I have this jig that I'm going to use here. I put it underneath because as you can see, it has adult, then it has the center here. So that's what we'll be placing in the middle. So there it is there, more or less. I'll center this. So it's from end to end, right? That's how I'm centering it. So to make sure that this is even. Now I'm placing it at the bottom of here. It is a little tight, so I'm gonna loosen it. And it's at 320 for 15 seconds. Right. So this is a hot peel. I'm gonna hit it one more time. You don't have to give it the whole 15 seconds. Okay. There it is there. Now you have a custom shirt. All right. Now let's get to another one. And take out this shirt that I received from Gildan. First things first, let's talk about what are screen printing transfers. Screen printing transfers are transferred into a film. They're screen printing into a film, and just like a traditional screen printing, multiple colors are used, multiple screens are used, and they're applied on each on the film. So by the time I get it or you would get it, you can press it on a shirt. So the quality the same as screen printing. There's nothing different. The only difference is that everything is already applied, is making it easier for you to put it, to have it all in one film and put it on a shirt, which are heat press. The only difference between screen printing and screen printing transfers is that when you're doing screen printing, you're directly putting the ink into the fabrics, and when you're doing the screen printing transfers, you're adding heat so that it applies to your shirt. Those are the only two differences. But the difference between the two, as far as screen printing, the quality stays the same. They're durable, and they're everlasting. They're superior quality for your customers. Do not forget that. So I'm gonna pre-press this shirt. Okay, I'm gonna touch the armpits, make sure they are even. Okay, I don't need to clamp it, not yet. What it just needs is heat. There you go. And I'm gonna use my jig. This is my adult size jig. Okay, and what I'm gonna do is this LA with the shoe. So I'm gonna do it first of all centered. This is my center. So I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna put this all the way back so the seam doesn't get in the way. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and press it. Now it's at 320 for 15 seconds. I'm gonna let it heat up for the full 15 seconds. Okay. So this is a hot peel. So as soon as you get it out, move it out the way, the palette, so you don't burn your fingers. And you just wow. I'm gonna press it one more time. Then I'm gonna put now again, I'm using my heat press from Heat Press Nation, and this is a Craft Pro 15 by 15 pull out. This is a game changer for you guys to use. Now, if you guys have one and it's not a pull out, you guys need to get a pull out. So I'm gonna do the back now. So the back, how I like doing it. Now, if you notice on the back, your seam is here. So I like to go lower of that when I press my shirts. Okay, so I'm gonna pre-press it for 3 to 4 seconds. Make sure all the moisture is out. Okay. Now, I'm gonna use this one. It's a little windy out here, but this is usually where I do my work. So I try to place my fingers. Let me fold this so I know that this is even and I'm not turning crooked or anything. Now when you cut your try to put it as straight as you can. It's always good to buy heat tape so that your transfers don't fly away. I'm gonna go ahead and press it. This is a hot peel. Let's press it all the way. Give it a few seconds, pop it back up. All right, here's your shirt. Not bad, right? And if you happen to go to the Dodgers Stadium, want to represent. One of the biggest advantages of screen printing transfers is the versatility that they have. They allow you to achieve professional looking designs with incredible detail and color without the need of any expensive equipment or specialized training. Plus, because the design is printed on transfer paper, you have the versatility to apply it anywhere, on bags, on a t-shirt, or even on hats, cotton or polyester polyblend. Now, let's address some questions that I'm often asked. Are screen printing transfers, do they really work? The answer is yes. When applied correctly, screen printing transfers can be just as durable as screen printing as a traditional screen printing. They're able to withstand multiple washes, time and time over time again. So the answer to this video, or to many questions, is yes. Screen printing transfers can be done and they can be used for your homepreneur business and entrepreneurship. And they are amazing to use with a very low cost and achieving professional looking designs on your shirts, garments, and hats. So thanks for joining me today, and if you found this video helpful, press that like button to show your support, subscribe, and ring that bell to get your notification for your next video. Thank you for your support and keep hustling. See you on the next one.